How I make $10,000 a month with my Faceless YouTube channel and no one even know it's me. I don't show my face, I don't use my real voice, I don't spend hours filming or editing. And the truth is, it's much easier than most people think. You don't need to be famous on expensive gear or have years of editing experience. In fact, I started with just a laptop, free tools, and a smart strategy. Now my video generate thousands of views every day while I sleep, travel, or focus on other projects. Take a look at those Faceless YouTube channels. There's Top 10s, which has 5.14 million views subscribers, which pull in around 5 to 8 million views every month and earn an estimated $15,000 to $20,000 from ads alone by using simple voiceovers and stock footage. Then there's a bright side. It's a hugely popular channel known for its animated storytelling, life hack trivia, and educational videos. It currently has over 44.7 million subscribers and regularly racked up around 150 to 200 million views per month. Estimated monthly earnings range between $40,000 to $70,000 plus from ads alone. Another fast-growing Faceless YouTube channel is Chili's. This channel specializes in creepy stories, paranormal events, and scary countdown. Chili's has over 6.21 million subscribers and get about 20 to 30 million views per month, earning an estimated $10,000 to $25,000 monthly just from ad revenue. Its mysterious and engaging content combined with consistent upload and no on-camera presence has helped it grow rapidly in the oral niche. Those channels prove that with creativity, consistency, and the right strategy, you can build a highly profitable YouTube channel without ever stepping in front of a camera. Before we jump into the detail, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a future video about YouTube automation, AI tools, and smart ways to earn income online. What type of YouTube contents make the most money? Let's first talk about what kind of YouTube content actually make the most money on Faceless YouTube channel. Your income mostly depends on something called CPM, which is stand for cost per mouse, or how much advertisers pay for every 1,000 views on your video. Some niches have very high CPMs, meaning you earn more money per 1,000 views. For example, finance channels like Graham Stephan earnings vary widely but can reach millions of dollars annually. Graham is famous for his detailed finance advice and real estate tips, and his video attract millions of views. Another high-paying niche is technology and AI, like the channel Tech Lead, which offers tech career advice and insights. Now, if you want to pick a niche with a lower CPM like storytelling or horror, don't worry, those can still make you a lot of money if you get enough view. For instance, Miss Nightmare creates a war story videos and has millions of subscribers, proving that consistent and engaging content in any niche can earn well. Which niche is best for a Faceless YouTube channel? If you are planning to go faceless, you need a niche that does not require showing your face or build a personal brand or your identity. There are several high-income faceless-friendly niches that still perform extremely well. True crime stories are popular because people love listening to mysterious and real cases. Finance and investing channels do well by teaching money tips using charts and voiceovers. Tech reviews and gaming channels work because they focus on products or gameplay, not the creator face. Educational videos like tutorials or how-to guides also fit well since they use screen recording and voice explanation. Other good ideas are meditation or relaxing sound, top 10 lists, and motivational videos with inspiring quotes. Those niches are great because you can create video, use voiceovers, animation, or stop clips without appearing on camera, and they have a good chance to grow and earn money. How to find viral faceless content ideas? Now that you know which niches work well, let me explain how to find viral content ideas for your channel. The first step is to discover topics that have already proven popular. I use tools like VidIQ or TubeBuddy to find viral videos in my chosen niche. Look for videos with over 1 million views that have been published in the last 3 months. For example, I found a make money online video titled How I Created a 10,000 monthly faceless YouTube channel using free AI tools tools which receive over 1.4 million views in just a few months. This video breaks down how to build and automate YouTube channel using AI tools without ever showing your face. It gave me the idea to structure my own content around tutorial and step-by-step guides in the same niche. Studying those kind of successful upload helps you understand what titles, thumbnail, and topic resonate with viewers, and that's the key to going viral and making a real income. Create and script quickly with AI. Once you have a viral topic, the next step is creating a fresh script for your video. I use DubDub.ai to generate script quickly and easily. Here's how it works. Paste the YouTube link of the viral video into DubDub.ai transcription tools and click rewrite. The AI produces a brand new unique version of the story. After that, I copy the script into Google Docs to make some personal edit, improving the tones and style. What used to take me hours now takes less than 10 minutes, and the quality is better than ever. This approach saves a huge amount of time and effort. Using AI for natural sounding voiceovers. Next, I need a voiceover for the script. Instead of recording my own voice or hiring someone, I use ElevenLabs, which offers extremely realistic AI voices. Some of those voices are so natural, you would think a real person is speaking. I paste my script into ElevenLabs, select a voice that fits the mood, and export the audio clips. Because there is a character limit, I split the script into 500 word section and stick the clip together during editing. This method sounds professional and save me the cost of hassle of buying microphone for recording myself. Creating engaging visual using AI. Now, to make the video visually appealing, I use Leonardo AI to generate characters and scenes that match my story. First, I ask ChatGPT to pull character description from my script. Then I input those into Leonardo AI, applying the cinematic keynote preset with a 16:9 aspect ratio to get high quality images. The style reference feature helped me keep visual consistency across all frames, so the video looked like it was made by a professional animation studio. This approach saved me from hiring expensive artists or animators. Editing videos with free tools. With the voiceover and visual ready, I use CapCut to put everything together. CapCut is free, easy to use, and available on desktop and mobile. I import all of those assets, use keyframes to add motion, and add smooth transition to keep the audience engaged. I also utilize the auto subtitle feature to generate caption, making my video more accessible. Additionally, I apply color grading layers for a polished professional look. If you want sound effect, I offer a free Google Drive pack with useful effect. Check the description below for the link. Adding the right background music. Music helps set the mood and keep viewers interested. I download copyright-free music track from Pixabay or the YouTube audio library. When I need music ideas, I ask ChatGPT to suggest track based on my video theme. I usually use 3 to 5 different tracks in one video and adjust the volume so the music does not overpower the voiceover. Keeping it around 25 dB work well. This balance keeps the video professional and easy to listen to. How to monetize and start earning. Now, how do you start making money from your Faceless YouTube channel? To get monetized to YouTube ad, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. This can take some time if you grow your channel organically. If you want to speed up the process, you can buy a pre-monetized channel from websites like FameSwap or ActMarket. Those channels already meet YouTube requirements, letting you start earning immediately. Just be sure to target audiences in countries like the US or UK because they have higher CPM rates, meaning you earn more per view. If this video activated your side hustle brain, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you are working on your first Faceless YouTube channel. Want to earn using ChatGPT without spending a dime? Check out my other video, how people earn $1,350 a day with ChatGPT and Google Drive. The link will be in the description. Catch you in the next upload where automation meets income. Thanks for watching. See you. Peace. Bye.